Welcome to today's video, where we're going to explore an important aspect of database design that can often go overlooked, but has significant implications on our application's performance and data integrity. If you've worked with databases before, you might have come across the column annotation in Java persistence API, GPA, or Hibernate, specifically the column definition attribute set to text. But what happens when we don't use this annotation? Why is it important? And what are the potential issues that can arise? In this video, we'll delve into these questions, exploring the context behind using at column definition HH text, its importance in database design, and most importantly, what can go wrong if we choose not to use it. By the end of this discussion, you should have a clear understanding of why this annotation matters and how it impacts your application's interaction with the database. To start understanding the significance of at column definition HH text, let's first consider what happens when we define a column in our entity class without specifying any additional attribute. When JPA or Hibernate generates the SQL to create the corresponding table, it uses default settings based on the data type of the field, e.g., string, integer. For instance, if you have a string field in your Java class, depending on the database and the GPA provider, it might be mapped to a varchar 255 by default. However, this can lead to issues when dealing with longer strings or text data that exceeds the character limit of varchar.show. Without specifying column definition text, you might end up with truncated data because the database column isn't designed to hold large amounts of text. This could result in unexpected behavior, errors, or even data loss. Using at column definition text explicitly tells GPA or Hibernate that this field should be mapped to a database column capable of holding larger amounts of text, such as a text type in many databases. This ensures compatibility with the database schema and prevents potential issues related to character limits. Another aspect to consider is performance. When your application needs to handle large text data efficiently, having the right database column types can make a significant difference. Some databases optimize their storage and retrieval mechanisms based on the expected size of the data in each column. By specifying column definition to text, you're not only ensuring that your text data fits, but also potentially optimizing how the database handles this data. Before moving forward, let's summarize the key points. 1. Avoid truncation issues without at column definition OK text. You risk truncating large strings or text data due to default column type limitations. 2. Ensure compatibility. This annotation ensures that your Java field is mapped to a compatible database column type, reducing potential errors and unexpected behavior. 3. Optimize for performance. Correctly specifying the column definition can also lead to performance gains by aligning with how the database optimizes its operation. Using at column definition key text is not just about compatibility. It's also about avoiding potential pitfalls in data integrity and application performance. By taking a moment to explicitly define your column types, you're investing in the robustness and reliability of your database interaction. If you have any questions or need further clarification on this topic, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if it helped clarify things for you, and consider subscribing for more content on software development, databases, and technology.